hands-on, Nokia 8110 4G review. Say hello to the very yellow, but also available in black, Nokia 8110 4G, which launched alongside a number of Android smartphones from the brand at MWC 2018. It takes its name and inspiration from the classic slider which shot to stardom in the 1999 blockbuster The Matrix, although in the film the slider was modified to be spring-loaded. Sadly, there's no Hollywood makeover here, and you'll have to manually pull the keypad cover down just like we had to when the original 8110 launched in 1996. HMD says the new 3310 was its best-selling feature phone in Europe in 2017. Proving the Nokia original's endeavor is more than a simple marketing gimmick that plays on nostalgia. Nokia 8110 4G release date and price. This is a feature phone, which means the Nokia 8110 price is a respectable €79, around £70, $100, 120 Australian dollars. That is, however, more expensive than the 3310 reboot. There are a couple of reasons for this. Firstly, the design is more costly, with a distinctive banana-like curve to the handset in the sliding section. Secondly, it packs 4G connectivity, giving the 8110 more scope for features and apps. You will have a little bit of a wait to get your hands on one though, as the Nokia 8110 4G release date is set for May. Design and display. The original 8110 wasn't nicknamed the banana phone for nothing. Like its predecessor, the new Nokia 8110 4G has an obvious curvature to its body, allowing the microphone and earpiece to sit snugly against your face when taking a call. The plastic body is solid, so it should be able to stand up to a few knocks, but it's the sliding keypad cover which has stolen our heart a little. That's because the 2.4-inch QVGA, 160 by 120, display isn't touch-sensitive and all your navigation keys are hidden beneath the cover. The screen is fine for reading text and viewing basic images and games, but you won't be enjoying works of art or movies on this phone. As we've already alluded to, the Nokia 8110 4G comes on black and an extremely vibrant banana yellow. It also features a headphone jack and FM radio app, along with 4 GB of storage, allowing you to listen to music with a set of headphones. Camera and battery. The Nokia 8110 4G does feature a camera, but it's as basic as they get these days. A 2MP snapper adorns the rear of the phone along with a single LED flash, a feature the original didn't have, and there's no front-facing option. Where the Nokia 8110 4G will shine is battery life, and HMD claims the 1,500 mAh power pack inside the handset is good for up to 25 days on standby. It also says you can make an 8.5-hour LTE voice call on a single charge, although that seems like an awful long time for one call. Performance and interface. It'll come as no surprise that the Nokia 8110 4G isn't packed to the rafters with power. Instead you get a Qualcomm 205 chipset and just 512 MB of RAM. The interesting part is what the addition of 4G connectivity can do for a simple handset like this. HMD says that it expects to have a rich app ecosystem for the 8110 4G in the coming months, although for now the only confirmed apps are Facebook, Twitter, Google Maps, and Google Assistant. The improved quality and speed of the data network means that apps can do more, providing features the new 3310 could only dream of. It's not clear what these will be, but it's something to keep an eye on if you're considering a low-cost second phone. You can also harness the improved data connection for your other devices, making the 8110 4G into a Wi-Fi hotspot so you can connect your phone, tablet or laptop to it.